Let us now study about intensity of magnetization. We already discussed that when a paramagnetic material is placed in an external magnetic field, say there is external magnetic field B0 applied, and a paramagnetic material, the dipoles of the material align themselves in the direction of external magnetic field. Now in this situation we can say the total magnetic moment of this material will be m vector, which can be written as summation of mu I vector I is equals to 1 to n if there are n dipoles in the material, and mu I is the dipole moment of the individual dipole. So here m vector is the total magnetic moment of the whole material. Now in this situation, after magnetization, here we can say after magnetization of a material in external field, the intensity of magnetization is defined as the total magnetic moment of material per unit volume. Like if the whole material has a volume V, then here we can write the intensity of magnetization, which is denoted by I vector. For this material after magnetization in its volume, the I vector is given as m vector by V. And as the unit for magnetic moment is ampere meter square, the unit for intensity of magnetization is ampere per meter. So this is the intensity of magnetization, which we can call developed in a material due to external magnetic field or after its magnetization. And we can simply state this I is a measure of magnetic field which is produced by the dipoles of the medium which is magnetized. Here we can also add that due to, this is quite an important point to be understood by all the students, that due to magnetization of material, the magnetic induction produced by material, and here we can write this is the magnetic induction produced by material. It is the induced magnetic field by the material due to its magnetization is given as, this we can directly write as B induced, and this B induced vector we can write as mu naught multiplied by I vector, where mu naught is the magnetic permeability of free space which is measured in Tesla. So if we know the intensity of magnetization, we can directly calculate the magnetic induction produced by the magnetized material in its volume, which is given as mu naught I.